These are the noodles that I'm going to use. And the most important thing is this tinta de sepia. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Juby May. Hello everyone, good afternoon. It's midday already, guys. It's 1:32 in the afternoon.
Hi.
Yeah, I started late to vlog, guys, kasi me and the kids went to the supermarket because I ordered fish, guys. So we went to pick the fish and bought some groceries again. And what else we did, Iha? And today, guys, it is my husband's birthday. Yes, guys, 8th July. Yes, so today is his birthday, but we are going to celebrate on Saturday because he is working and he finishes at 3 o'clock in the afternoon, guys, and then after that he has a meeting, so we decided to celebrate on Saturday. Yes, and I bought a cake, guys, but we're going to eat that tonight maybe. Yes, I bought also some food for Pika Pika.
Yes.
Pika Pika, guys, or for tapas. Yes, for tonight. So that's my plan. I hope he will say yes.
Of tapas we bought olives and
cheeses, different kind of cheese. Yes, and
tomato. No,
we have tomatoes. And I planned to cook black, how do you call this? Black. Look, guys, this is black noodle. Yes, and it is really good. Yes, so I plan to cook fideuà. Yes, fideuà with the black tint. I'm not sure if I'm going to use this, guys, this noodle, because I also bought a black tint of squid or calamari. Yes, so I'm not sure what I'm going to use, if I'm going to use this black noodle or the normal noodle. Al nero de sepia. Yes, this says that this is sepia pasta italiana. Yes, guys, this is Italian pasta here. Yes, so I can't decide what to cook, guys, but I bought shrimps, big shrimps, and also calamari. So that's what I'm going to cook, but I don't know if I'm going to use the regular pasta or the black one. So I can't really decide. And guys, do you know what? I'm so sad because I don't know what happened to my machine, my coffee machine, guys. Yes, yesterday afternoon after lunch I wanted to drink coffee, so I prepared, and then after that, guys, yeah, normally I use 2 capsules of, yeah, because I have very long coffee, I want big cups, guys. So I use 1 of these and then it was okay. And then when I put the second one, oh my gosh, it didn't work, and it just like it's locked, guys, and I cannot I cannot open it, guys. I cannot open it, really. So I don't know, maybe I have to buy a new one. Yes, so this morning I drank Nescafe with hot milk. Yes, these are the noodles that I'm going to use, but I cannot decide if I'm going to use the black ones or this spaghetti or this kind of noodle, guys. This one is for fideuà. Yes, so I don't know, guys, what I'm going to use. This is the tinta de sepia, or the calamari ink, guys, they call it here. This is the calamari ink. Focus ka naman. Yes, so yan, guys, it's far ang gusto niya. So this is the tinta de sepia, or this is the calamari or squid ink, guys, black ink. Yes, and they have these at the supermarket, so I bought it. So I think I'm not going to use this one because this is black and black, so I think I'm not going to use this one. So if I'm not going to use this one, guys, this black ink, then I will use this one. Yes, but because I'm going to use this black tint, so I'm going to use maybe this or this one, guys. Yeah, but for fideuà normally we use this. Yeah, but you can also use this normal spaghetti. Yes, guys, so I think I'm going to use this. So guys, what do you think I'm going to use? This spaghetti or this short noodle? So Hailey is doing her homework, guys. Not homework, but exercises for her. Normally, guys, here in Spain, every summer, all the kids, they have to do something. Yes, in that way they won't forget, you know, the routine about school or about their, you know, academic subjects like that. That's why they always propose to have something like this for them to learn while they are on a summer vacation. Hello, guys, so these are the ingredients for our black fideuà. We have this one medium-sized onion I chopped already, guys, and 2 cloves of garlic I already chopped. And we have these shrimps, guys. These shrimps, I don't know how many pieces, 7 guys, this one, but you can put as many as you want. And 2 big squid or calamari, and of course the fish stock, guys, with vegetables, this one. But if you have not this fish stock, then you can use just water, or you can boil any kind of, maybe if you don't want the head of these shrimps, then you can boil and use it as well, guys, as a fish stock. And we have this short noodle. Yes, guys, ganyan siya, maliliit, it's short. This is for fideuà. And the most important thing is this tinta de sepia. So this is the black ink of calamari. These are the ingredients for our black fideuà. And now let's get started cooking, guys. Okay, guys, so let's heat the pan. Once the pan is hot, let's add few drops of olive oil. Alright, so the pan and the oil is hot. Let's fry the garlic. Alright, so let's add the onion. Alright, so luto na siya, guys. Now let's add in the calamari. Napakadali lang lutuin, guys, itong black fideuà or just normal fideuà. Kung wala kayong mahanap na black ink, just cook the normal fideuà. And let's add in this one also, guys. So, let's add in a little bit of this black ink, guys. Kasi parang ano siya, anemic. Let's add this. Para magkaroon naman siya ng kulay. Oh, ayan siya, guys. Oh, wow. As in, guys, na black ink siya, guys. Look at that. Naging itim na siya. So, let's continue mixing. Ayan! Ang sarap! Ang sarap ni Tetch. Ayan! Itim na siya, guys. Yeah? And the rest, ilagay natin mamaya. Ayan, guys. As in na ang itim niya. And now, we're going to set aside. So, guys, you can also use rice, huh? There's also black rice. So, you can use in noodles or in rice. So, next time, I'm going to show you how to make it. The same process, guys. The same process. But the only thing that you change is the rice. Instead of pasta, you're going to use rice. And if it is rice, and if you use rice, then just cook it for 8-10 minutes only. And then you have to wait for 5 minutes and then you can eat. So guys, ito na siya, guys. Let's set aside and let's heat the fish stock. So guys, isang ganito, or this is 500 grams, guys. You can use 1 liter of this fish stock. So let's put the noodle, guys. Let's put this black ink. I didn't put all, guys. Maybe I'm going to use this for my rice next time. Let's cook the noodles for 8 minutes, guys. That's the instruction. Let's add in the squid and the shrimps. Wow, hindi ko nilagyan, guys, ng salt, any salt, because our fish stock is ano na siya, guys, salty na siya. Not totally salty, but may lasa na siya. And also the black ink, may lasa din siya, guys. So hindi ko na nilagyan ng asin, but I will try it. Yummy siya, guys. Maybe 5 minutes more, luto na ang ating pasta. Looks so yummy. Hello, guys. So, luto na ang ating black fideuà. Ayan, guys. Umuusok pa kasi mainit. So, ayan. Let's eat, everyone. Let's eat. Yummy-licious. Kain na tayo, guys. Ayan na ang ating black fideuà. Let's eat, everyone. So Hailey haven't tried this kind of food, guys. I'm not sure if she tried rice. I think once, but the black fideuà not yet. So let's see kung ano ang kanyang reaction.
Good.
Do you like it? Huh?
Good.
Mm-hmm.